up, guys? This is Brink again with Blacked Out Power. We're back again. Me and homeboy Eduardo here.
Oh yeah, back at it.
We don't know if y'all have already seen our first video or not, but you should definitely check it out. It's called The Beginning. Kind of had a little bit of an issue with the title of the video, but I guess it's all right. Give it a like, comment if you want. Definitely subscribe. If you're watching this right now, subscribe.
Right.
Definitely subscribe. It'd be pretty good for us. We're really excited.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we're actually at Eduardo's house right now. We're actually in Kissimmee, Florida. I don't know if you're familiar with that place or not. Some of you guys are probably out of state, but we are actually in the Sunshine State, the best state.
The American state.
Yeah, man, America, dude. Check it out.
Let them know.
Trump 2020. But yeah, we're just hanging out here. Figured we'd give you a little bit more insight on us, maybe.
Let y'all know that our trucks are dirty again.
Yeah, it can't stay clean. But yeah, we actually work together. I'm 21. How old are you again?
24. Just turned 24.
24. Heck yeah, man. I hope everybody had good New Year's. We did. Good Christmas as well, and good holidays. But yeah. So this is my truck. This is an 06 FT50. I bought it around in April. I believe it was April. I bought it used off a car lot. I checked it out, I liked it. I put these rims in here on it. These are here at 22 by 12. They're Fuel Mavericks with 33 all-terrains. I decided to keep these here on it. These right here are actually pretty good to step in and out. I don't think I have a leveling kit on it yet, but it sits the way it does because I actually took my rear blocks out of the back and I put in there 1-inch blocks. That's why it sits so perfect. These right here are aftermarket mirrors, the 08 to 16, just like homeboy Eduardo's over there. I got blacked out turn signals and runner lights. I need to get new cab lights. I think I have 3 of them that are missing. 3 of them are out, so it's kind of ugly, but still a nice truck though.
You got a tuner on it?
I need to get new headlights still. Yeah, I have an old SCT live wire, but it's really old. I don't want to use it because I feel like it's gonna mess it up. I don't know, I'm kind of shy. But yeah, I got a new grill coming in. I keep saying that, but whenever I go get it, I'm definitely gonna put it on, and I'll give you guys a little bit of a idea on how to put it on. It'll be my first time doing that because how often we change out grills on vehicles. So yeah, this is it right here. I got 5% tint all the way around. Oh, I got my 8-inch fatty back here, man.
Oh yeah.
This is my 8-inch tip. I got a 5-inch straight pipe, turbo back. I think about getting a 10-inch tip, but I don't know how I feel about that because 10 inches is pretty damn big. Ask your girlfriend. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, check out my shackle too. I bought this right here from this Instagram account. It's called Stacked Industries. I think it's pretty cool. It's all aluminum. You can't pull anything with that, but it's pretty cool. I like it, so I got a good charm for my truck. But this is homeboy Eduardo's truck right here. He'll tell you about it.
All right, guys. Well, my truck ain't as extravagant as old Brennan's truck. Over here, I got an iPhone 6. Like to have that on deck in case something ever happens. I have a backup phone. I also have an Altec Lansing speaker in the back. You never know when you might need to listen to some music. It's pretty stock. I haven't done much to it. Got my 4-inch tip right there, dual tip. Got regular stock wheels, which pretty soon we'll be upgrading those. Maybe something more fancy and aggressive like Brennan's. I like how his truck stands. I don't have any tint. This is all factory tint, anything that came with the vehicle. I do have these factory steps. I did take them off for a while. I did like how it looked, but I had a lot of people complaining about getting in and out of my vehicle. Shout out to Kenji. I know you appreciate these more now.
When'd you buy it again? How long you had it for?
Oh, I've only had this truck for about 4 months. I bought it. I did buy it used as well. I had 50,000 miles on it. I bought it off of, I think, Garrett Ford over there off the 27. Over here on the side, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. I got a train horn for Christmas, and I wanted to put it on just to see what it sounded like. So we wanted to kind of retrofit everything, so we did it all in a rush, but we got to go back, and we're probably going to do a video about that. how to install it better, where you can run the wires, what you can tap into, so you can get the compressor running. If you look over here, you can see the compressor right over here hiding. Pretty decent compressor. Got my gooseneck hookup right here from my camper. And if you look back over here in the front, it's all stock. This is nothing very fancy. Got all this chrome in the front. It's too much chrome for me.
That's perfect, dude. It's like
You like that chrome?
I'm gonna leave the chrome on mine, but I'm not gonna add any chrome to it.
Yeah, I like the chrome, man, but it's, I don't know if I could. You think if we paint match it, would it look nice?
I think it'll look good. You can color match it, but whenever you get everything black, that's just a little bit too.
What do you guys think? You guys comment
comment
below. Let us know what you like. You know, what you guys have seen, and what would look better. Give me ideas.
Yeah, man. For sure. We might be able to change it onto our liking if we like it. Right, Warner?
Oh yeah, man. Yep. Oh, tent wise, I think we already spoke about the tent, but I do want to make a video of us taking it off, because I don't want to pay the guy to retake my tent off.
This right here is just stained.
You think so?
If anybody knows, I'm pretty sure that's stained glass, not tint.
Really?
But if you guys know more than we do, let us know, because we're just actually amateurs. We're learning as we go.
Y'all want to see the inside? It's nothing fancy like a lariat. I got an XLT, guys.
I want to show them inside my truck.
Oh yeah, it's a little dirty. It's basic, you know, tan interior. I do plan on putting a better head unit in there. Probably, I've been looking at some Tesla looking models, and also want to do some leather seats.
Oh yeah, if anybody knows anything about cat skins,
of course.
let us know.
Yeah, because I'm interested in putting some of those.
I'm thinking about getting all my interior black leather, but who knows? Very expensive. If they're good quality or not, let us know. You know, if you know anything about it.
Oh yeah. See, those steps are very, very handy, aren't they, Justin?
Say yes, bro.
Use the camera shot. Yeah. Well, guys, that's a little rundown of our trucks. We're gonna see what we get into by the end of the day. Hopefully we won't get in trouble. We already got in trouble yesterday playing with the train horn.
Train horns are fun, man. I'm gonna get one too, and then we're gonna both have one. Isn't that right?
Oh yeah, man.
But yeah, like and subscribe, comment, anything you want to. Let us know what y'all think, what y'all want to see, and we'll get back with you guys.
Until next time, peace. See ya.